Alright, here goes the first drawing test. Have never done that with this device yet, so this will be a surprise to both of us. My markers are pretty old, so hopefully that doesn't affect it too much. And this isn't my final design as far as the brace goes. I know that there's my revision I've done is stiffer. But it's engaging like it should. I'm sure with a ballpoint pen this might be even better. But this is what I had close by. And to show what it's going to be, so I found this drawing on Google. I traced it in Inkscape and cleaned it up, got rid of that wing in the background, and then I brought it into a x-carve and I set up a tool for it. So I got it right now at 3,000 step or 300 step, and it might be probably get to 0.02 instead of 0.03. But I set up a drawing pen tool that looks like this. I'll probably end up making a post processor to make sure that the spindle never turns on, but putting a 0 as the RPM should work too. I got it going at 200 inches per minute right now. My guess is if the new bracket, this black one, is stiffer, the ribs are higher, and it actually engages on the spindle mount. It actually goes up against it, which should really stiffen it up. I'm thinking I'll be able to go 300 inches per minute once that happens. All of these are just profile on path. My boy wanted a dragon, so I'm doing a dragon. I just have it on a piece of plywood and some tape. Haven't surfaced my wasteboard in a long time, as you can see by all the cuts into it. So that's why I chose 0.03 as the engagement, just to make sure that any variation, it would still be making contact with the paper. Doesn't look like it's too stiff or too bad. It might be a little bit too much pressure. I set my plunge rate at 20 inches per minute, which is the max a stock x-carve can go, even though mine can go faster. I figure I'll just do all my tests at stock x-carve capabilities. Turn on this overhead light. It says it has, let's see, about 3.5 minutes left. So the whole drawing took only 9 minutes, which isn't too bad, considering all these little plunges. And I'm sure I could increase the plunge rate for myself, but as you can hear the difference between it raising up and lowering. Raising up, it's going 70 inches per minute at my rapid rate, but going down, it's plunging at 20. You can tell when it engages, it's pushing down the paper, so it's not really flat, but it's still doing pretty good. That Sharpie tip is getting smushed because I probably have a little too much engagement. I'll try to figure all that out and put it in some tips by the time I put this for sale. Boy, would this be fast as if you could make a single continuous path for it to draw. It's doing the outline now, so that should be the end of it. It's doing all the internal parts first. That's pretty cool. I'm sure a ballpoint pen would actually be even better. And that's it. That's pretty cool.